अस्सलाम वालेकुम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज काफ़ी दिनों के बाद आपको मैं कराने लगी हूँ। अच्छा जी, हम करने लगे थे इसको ग्रीक को कंप्लीट। इसके बारे में मैंने आपको सारा एक दफ़ा बताया है, वो रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं हुई मुझसे। अच्छा जी, इसका हमने सारा पढ़ लिया था। आयरन एज एंड ग्रीक सिविलाइजेशन, इसका अर्ली आयरन एज, मिडिल आयरन एज, लेट आयरन एज सारा पढ़ लिया था। फिर इसके जो सेलिएंट फीचर्स पढ़े थे हमने ग्रीक सिविलाइजेशन के। उसमें जियोग्राफिकल कंडीशंस थी, इसका रिलीजियस बिलीव्स थे, इनके सोशल एंड कल्चरल कंडीशंस थी, इनकी फ़िलासफ़िकल कंट्रीब्यूशन थी। आज हमने पढ़ना था इनके पॉलिटिकल इनोवेशन को। इनमें दो तरह की जो गवर्नेंस है उसको ट्राई किया था, यानी बादशाही निज़ाम भी, डेमोक्रेटिक भी, और जो शाही निज़ाम भी। द सिटी स्टेट और पॉलिस वाज द कॉर्नरस्टोन of Greek political life. Athens, with its democratic experiment, remains a symbol of participatory governance. The Athenian democracy, though imperfect and limited, allowed citizens to participate in decision of civic responsibility and equality before the law. Sparta, in contrast, embraced a militaristic society governed by strict discipline and communal living. इसमें वो बता रहे हैं हमें कि एथेंस में उनकी सिटीज़न्स को यानी शहरियों को भी हक दिया जाता था कि वो डिसाइड करें, यानी वो उधर डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम था। जबकि स्पार्टन्स जो थे, स्पार्टा ग्रीक का एक और स्टेट थी, वहाँ पर मिलिट्री हुकूमत थी, यानी फ़ौज की हुकूमत थी, और कम्युनिस्ट सिस्टम था। द राइवलरी बिटवीन दी सिटी स्टेट्स fueled innovation, competition, and cultural exchange, contributing to the vibrancy of Greek civilization. Cultural legacy. The legacy of ancient Greece extends far beyond its historical boundaries. Greek literature, including epic poems like the Iliad and the Odyssey, tragedies by playwrights like Sophocles and Euphrates, and the philosophical dialogue of Plato continue to resonate with the readers worldwide. The Olympic Games originated in ancient Greece, enduring as a testament to the enduring spirit of athletic competition and human excellence. Moreover, the Greek language, mathematics, and significant discoveries have left an indelible imprint or subsequent generations, shaping the course of Western civilization. Artistic achievements of Greek civilization. Greek civilization boasts a rich and diverse artistic heritage that continues to captivate and inspire. From the geometric design of geometric period to the grandeur of classical sculpture, Greek art reflect the cultural, social, and philosophical values of its time. Here an overview of the artistic achievement of Greek civilization. इसमें 4 इसके पीरियड्स हैं जो इम्पॉर्टेंट है। ज्योमेट्रिक है, आर्किक है, क्लासिकल है, और हेलेनिस्टिक है। इसमें अब हम देखेंगे उन्होंने क्या क्या काम किए हैं। पीरियड को द ग्रीक ज्योमेट्रिक पीरियड art around 1000 to 700 BCE featured geometric shapes in design, human figures, and mythological scenes. Ancient Greeks used vases and containers for storing products, often embellished with geometric patterns. These amphora or vases were frequently embellished with geometric patterns. The majority of vessels would be covered in geometric patterns, while abstract human figures and triangle shaped torsos also appeared in geometric Greek art. Archaic period. The Archaic period witnessed the emergence of Greek monumental sculpture characterized by stylized figures known as choro male figure and chore female figure. Pottery flourished during this period also with the development of the black figure and red figure technique, showcasing intricate narrative scene and mythological motifs. Architectural achievements included the construction of temples such as the Temple of Hera at Olympia and the Temple of Artemis at Corfu, featuring the earliest examples of Doric and Ionic architectural style. यानी इसमें आर्किटेक्चरल अचीवमेंट में हमें नज़र आती हैं आर्किक पीरियड में। दो इनके मंदिर, टेम्पल ऑफ हेरा एंड टेम्पल ऑफ आर्टेमिस। हेरा इनकी देवी थी और आर्टेमिस इनका गॉड था। जो हमें किधर नज़र आते हैं, जो हमें आर्किटेक्चर के डिफरेंट कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर जो हमें आर्किक पीरियड में बने हुए नज़र आते हैं। क्लासिकल पीरियड आगे शुरू हो गया है। 5th to 4th century BC, the classical period represent the pinnacle of Greek artistry, particularly in sculpture. Artists like Phidias created iconic works such as the Parthenon sculptures, including the renowned frieze depicting the Panthenic procession. Sculptors focused on achieving idealized representation of the human forms, emphasizing balance, harmony, and proportion. Notable sculptures include the Discobolus by Myron and the Venus de Milo. Architecture reached new heights during this period with the construction of monumental temples like the Parthenon on the Athenian Acropolis, showcasing the refinement of Doric architecture. यानी पार्थेनन का मंदिर हमें नज़र आता है जो अथेनियन एक्रोपोलिस पहाड़ की चोटी पर एथेंस सिटी में बनाया गया था। डोरिक इसमें स्तून हमें नज़र आते हैं। Hellenistic period, 4th to 1st century BCE, the Hellenistic period witnessed a departure from the idealized forms of classical sculpture, with artists exploring more emotive and dynamic expressions. Sculptures became more naturalistic, depicting subjects in motion or displaying intense emotion. The Laocoon and his sons and the Nike of Samothrace are prime examples of Hellenistic sculpture. Architectural innovations included the construction of theaters, stadium, and elaborate public space, reflecting the completon nature of Hellenistic cities like Alexandria and Pergamon. Other artistic forms, Greek art are encompassed a wide range of media, including metalwork, jewelry, mosaics, and frescoes. Metalwork crafted intricate jewelry, armor, and household objects, showcasing uh, uh, technical prose and decorative fineness. Mosaics adorned floors and walls. Mosaic जो दीवारों पर और फर्श पर बनाई गई, featuring elaborate design and motifs, while frescoes decorated tombs and public buildings, offering insight into Greek life and culture. Overall, the artistic achievements of Greek civilization reflect a profound appreciation for beauty, balance, and craftsmanship. From the enduring legacy of classical sculpture to the vibrant narratives of vase painting, Greek art continues to inspire awe and admiration, serving as a testament to the integrity and creativity of ancient Greek artists. Significant features of the Greek art and architecture. Architecture is its emphasis on idealized representation of the human form and the purest of aesthetic perfection. This idealism is evident in several key aspects. Naturalistic depiction of human form. Greek sculptors aimed to portray the human body with anatomical accuracy and ideal proportions. Sculptors meticulously studied the human anatomy to create lifelike representations, capturing details such as muscles, definition, facial expression, and movements. Harmony and balance. Greek artists sought to achieve a sense of harmony and balance in their works, reflecting the philosophical concept of harmony in the universe. This balance was evident in the symmetry of architectural elements such as the columns of temples and in the proportional relationship within sculptures. Idealized beauty. Greek art idealized the concept of beauty. This was reflected in portraying figures as youthful, graceful, and physically perfect. Sculptors often depicts god, goddess, heroes, and athletes, embodying the Greek ideals of physical and more excellence. Narrative representation. Greek art often conveyed narratives from mythology, history, and daily life. Sculptures, reliefs, and vase paintings depicted scenes from Greek mythology, epic poetry, and historical events, allowing viewers to engage with complex narratives and themes. Architectural orders. Greek architecture introduced the concept of architectural orders, which defined standardized system of proportion and ornamentation for building design. The three main orders, Doric, Ionic, and Corinthian, each had distinct characteristics and were used in different architectural contexts, contributing to the overall aesthetic harmony of Greek buildings.